Hello, everybody. I have returned, and I will be playing Will You Press the Button.com. So, there's there's this. So, um, you guys should know how to play this game already. Oh my god, it's really snowing now. Yes, this is snowing. Cut. This is Will You Press the Button? Yeah, it is. It's snowing outside. I messed up badly. I will not do that again, I hope. So, um, you get to live in your favorite video game universe being whatever type of character of your making, or you, but you stay as, I just said that I wouldn't do that. You stay as a side character, and you will be completely irrelevant to the main characters. I, I want to do it, cause, like, my favorite video game universe, GTA 5. But that means I'd be like an NPC, and I get killed like millions of times. Or Fallout. I could be like Preston Garvey. Another settlement needs your help. I'll do it. Okay. It's good. I guess it's a good dilemma. So, there is no war, and anyone who does anything even remotely evil dies instantly, but you experience constant, intense emotional pain and occasional intense physical pain. So, my God, my nose. So, I will not press the button because that's literally World War Three. Right there. Right there. Right there. Even, like, you say anything bad about, like, feminism, this is basically today's society. I'm not kidding. It's a bad dilemma. No. Okay, you gain the ability to teleport, but you can never bring close to your destination. Teleport to your mom's house. No, 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 no. So, but then, that'd be, like, perfect if I was, like, going to take a shower. But, if I was, like, teleporting to maybe, like, China or something, yeah, I'll do it. Cause then I don't like it'd be. I my you can travel in time, but you age at 4 times the normal rate. So I'd be like 20 when I'd be like 80 when I'm 20. Yeah, I'm not even. I've lived long enough now. No, don't. I didn't say that. No, please don't come kill me. Please, please. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'll do it. It's cool. It's cool. Good dilemma. You are God, but you cannot interfere with human events. So what's the freaking point? You just look down on the earth like, ooh, how you doing down there? I can't talk to you. I didn't. I, I, there's no point. It'd be cool to be like, oh yeah, I'm God, but you have telekinesis, but you are paralyzed from the neck down. Well, I mean, if I had telekinesis, I could just like use my mind powers to lift myself up and fly. That's kind of stupid. I could make myself fly, and then I could do all the telekinesis stuff. Yeah, I'd do it. Pick myself up. You get every console with every game, but you can never go outside. Well, that's how you get scurvy. Yeah. So, yeah, I will not. I want every console with every game, but it's not good. The franchise of your choice is getting movie trilogy made with a limitless budget, but the director is Michael Bay. Um, Tempting. Franchise of your choice. I am sick. Just, just letting you know. I'll not do it because sequels are already bad anyway. Yeah, that's a bad one. Sequels stink. Like the Clyde with a Chance of Meatballs movie. The first one was good. The second one, you'll become the president of the United States, but you are compared to Obama. I am what compared to Obama? Could I be like good? I'm just compared to Obama, so if I do something good, then they'll be like, oh, he's better than Obama. And if I do something bad, they'll be like, oh, he's worse. Um, so it's basically like regular judgment, human judgment. You will be able to change two things you hate about your body: skinny, and my legs are too small. Well, you see, the joke is that I have. Never mind. But you lose 50 IQ points. Nah. I like my body just the way it is. No. Well, it's. I'm gonna have to edit the heck out of this. You'll be in a you'll get to be in a video with the YouTuber of your choice, but it's only for a minute, and they don't remember who you are. I'll do it. If people were like, "Oh, he's cute," then I'll know. I oh, there's statistics up here. That's convenient. Alright, you become an expert at maths. Become an expert at English first, boy.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
You forget how to speak English. Did he press the button?
Damn, it feels.
I'll do it. I should not have done that. You gain the ability to turn invisible at will, but it involves holding your breath to do so. Cat. Uh, cat. 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 Goodbye, cat. No. I can't hold my breath for that. Even though I just held it for 15 seconds, and then that happened. Cat. You find a way to time travel again with this, or anytime future or past, but you are stuck at your destination and are naked on arrival. So it's basically the last one. So, oh, I'm stuck at it. Oh, it's like the teleportation thing. No, that is a terrible. That is a terrible idea. Oh crap! It's almost 10 minutes. So, since I'm using Bandicam, yeah. Well, so let me know if I should play this again. It's literally almost at 10 minutes. So, yeah, I'll see you guys later. Adios.